Alright, so I've added a strainer in line. I've got these tanks. That and the water obviously flows back into the pump, and then what I've done is just put a sort of a filter to filter some of the water. This is purely just to protect the equipment. It's like your washing machine and perhaps your toilet system and stuff like that. So I've left it for a week, so I'm going to open this guy just to see what has happened. Obviously what I'm going to have to do is close the taps so that we don't have water, and then that one's close, and then I'm going to open this guy and see what exactly has happened in the week. Alright, so I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. It's gonna be alright, so I've managed to open it a bit, and I'm just gonna take it. Let's see, it's got a little filter in there. Okay, so yeah, really not much has happened. This is what you have. Obviously when the water comes in, it flows out to wherever your equipment is, and this is the guy that is filtering wherever else. So there doesn't seem to be much in the tanks. That goes via the pump. So alright, so that's interesting. So we'll just got to close it up again. Alright, so I've closed it up again. I'm just gonna let this coming back in. Basically that's it. That's what your strainer and line does. As I said, I recommend it if you have like a washing machine or something like that, because then you don't clog up your filter and your washing machine and stuff. Yeah, alright, thank you for watching.